All right, good morning. Good morning. It is June 3rd already, and I wanted to show you guys how great NinjaTrader and the platform is to use with BloodHound, because when you're preparing your weekend review and you're just looking at the performance from the prior session and the prior week for the instruments that you trade, it can give you a lot of trading ideas going forward, because they're called patterns for a reason. They tend to repeat themselves. So for the E-mini, another all-time high occurred, which is following the mixed non-farm payroll report. We've got a lower dollar, and the markets are choppy, really responding to volatility swings more so than straight out trend conditions, although I'm kind of begging to differ with that analysis a little bit, because this clearly looks like a trend condition to me that has set up with the higher super trend indicator going back quite a while. Just trade the direction of the momentum on the daily in that trend on your lower time frame when that condition sets up, staying out of the middle. And so that is a recipe that you can go in and duplicate on that short-term chart in the direction of the higher time frame trend, whether you use a daily 15-minute, 5-minute, whatever you choose. You've got your higher time frame pattern, and you want to execute that when that condition is present on that lower time frame. So just having the tools with NinjaTrader and BloodHound helps tremendously to navigate those jolts of volatility that respond to those fundamental event risks. But I do say that there still is a trend. And I will be looking for really the culmination of this trend, though, quite soon at the rate hike mid-month. And I'm sure that will be the catalyst to start rolling this over to the downside. So there'll be a long way to go to enjoy a 10 or 15% correction back to the middle of that range on the daily. And so there will be some counter trend trading to go as we meet the 200 rising moving average. So just keep your eye on this trend line and see where that intersection occurs. And that will probably end the first leg of that first correction. But we're getting ahead of ourselves because we're still way up here. All right, well, that's all I've got for you today. Fade these holes. So when the momentum does not match the price action, that is the time that you can capitalize on those choppy conditions, those short ranges, by fading the extremes. And so there's a counter trend trade for you right there. And that's really all I've got for you. So we'll see you next week. Thank you so much.